Great day, parents and scholars. We're continuing to work with place value, and we're really honing in, trying to make sure that we understand as we progress to the left on the place value chart that each unit is going up by times 10. Okay? So you know we've been working with word, standard, number unit, and expanded form. And we still want to stay there a little bit because we still need some more direction with that. As we dive into a more understanding of as you progress over to the left, that is 10 times more. So, for example, if I have a 5 in the thousands place, I know that this 5 in the thousands place is 10 times more than the 5 in the hundreds place. Now, parents, I know when we were in school, we learned, oh, just add a zero. If once you move it over to the left, add a zero, and that was fine. But I'm trying to have the students understand the number sense behind that without just learning a rule. Okay? And so we've been doing that in various ways with different things. So, for example, this number here, this will be 500, and this is 5 thousands. And I want them to understand as you progress from the hundreds place to the thousands place, you're multiplying times 10. You're multiplying times 10. And so that's what we've been working on for students to see rather than say, oh, just add a zero. Every time you move over, just add a zero. So I want to make sure most of them know that before we start any tricks and rules to it, okay? Now, we're getting to the expanded form. We have 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 80 plus 4. Okay, so this is expanded form. Now we want to do the expanded form with the multiplication. Okay? So we're going to distribute it this way. We're going to do our open parenthesis. What is our highest value? It's the 60,000. So 6 is in what place? It's in the 10,000s place. How do I know that? Because I know my place value. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000. So we know our 6 is going to go here. So we're going to do 6 is in what place? Is in the 10,000s place. Plus. And that, hence, that has the value of 60,000. 6 times 10 is 60,000. Plus, what's our next number? 7 is in what place? The thousands place. Okay, so we'll have 7 times 1,000. And some scholars need this help. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 digits here. Which one up here has 4 digits? Oh, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will help with the thousands as well. Most students know the ones through the thousands place up to 3rd grade. We added the 10,000 and 100,000 in 4th grade. So some may not be as sharp on these yet, but we're getting there. Notice I said yet. So some may need to add up each digit. Okay, this is 4. Let me match it with the one up here with 4 digits. But after next week, we should be able to say, oh, that's 1,000. Okay? Plus, now we have 8 times what? What place would it be? And I'm going to pause and let you tell your parent. The tens place. What's another way to know? Is 2 digits here. 1, 2. 2 digits. 1, 2. So we know that 8 is in the tens place. Plus, we have what? 4. And that goes in the ones place because that's only 1 digit and that's 1 digit. So 4 is in what place? Is in the ones place. So you'll do 4 times 1. Now, am I finished? Absolutely not. Why not? Because there's no number here. There's 100 is not represented in our expanded form, so it's understood a 0 holds that spot. We have 0 hundreds. Okay? Now we're going to put our comma. We're still working on the comma. Starting from the right going to the left, we're going to count over 3 units. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. And we have talked about how the comma lives between the hundreds and the thousands place. Now, can you read that number? Can you read that number? I always tell my scholars, cover up that comma because that means what word? 1,000. So what do you have? 67. Let me write it because I'm going to do word form. 67. Now, the comma says what? 1,000. So I'm going to write the word 1,000. Now I'm going to cover up 1,000. What comes after that? How would you read that? 84. So I'm going to write 84. And that's our word form for it. Okay? So it's in, I gave it to you in expanded form. We continue with the second form of expanded form with distributing with multiplication. And then we did the word form. Okay? So,